How to add a passkey in Phemex application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Adding a passkey to your Phemex account is one of the most secure way to protect it. Now, in order to add passkey, first of all, launch open the Phemex application on your device, whether you are using Android or iOS, and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page logged in, go to the upper left corner and tap on the human icon. Now you'll come across this expanded menu where you need to click on Security. Inside Security, under Authentication Methods, you'll see the passkey option. Just tap on it. And on the next page, tap on Add New Passkey. Now, your fingerprint or your face ID will be used to verify your account. Click on the Continue button at the bottom. And now, a verification code will be sent to your email, or you'll be required to scan your face ID or your fingerprint. Just go ahead and open up your email inbox and look for an email from Phemex. You'll see a 6-digit verification code in it. Just type in exactly as it is. Once you do that, you'll be asked to tap the Continue button. Now, according to your device's type, you'll be asked to scan your face ID, your fingerprint, or enter your screen lock passcode. And right after you do that, you will be able to create a passkey in Phemex. It only takes a few minutes and provides a faster, more secure way to access your account. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.